Finding the best blender for margaritas can be tricky, and you definitely don't want to buy a bad product. With that in mind, I've created reviews of the best margarita blenders so that you know which product to buy right now. You'll find links to each of them in the description below so that you can check the current prices. The Margaritaville Maui on-the-go blender is the perfect tool for making resort-quality margaritas wherever you go. After testing this device at a party, I can honestly say that using this blender was a breeze. I particularly loved its portability. It's so lightweight, making it ideal for weekend trips to the beach or parties at my friend's house. Best of all, the shaved ice feature really sets it apart. My drinks were smooth and easy to sip, as if they were professionally made by a skilled bartender. To my surprise, the battery life is also really impressive, allowing me to enjoy more than 20 drink cycles on a single charge. It charges up pretty quickly too, in less than an hour, which is convenient when I'm in a rush. Also, the Triton plastic construction ensures that it's sturdy and resistant to water, making it perfect for outdoor activities like pool parties. The icing on the cake is that cleaning up was relatively straightforward, which I always appreciate after a late night party, let me tell you. Just add some dish soap and water and use a manual program for a quick clean. Overall, it's definitely one of the best blenders for margaritas that I've tested. Now, at number 4, we have the Ninja BL 660 Professional Blender, which, I have to say, is the best Ninja blender for margaritas thanks to its powerful motor, large capacity, and reasonable price tag. First off, the 1,100 watt motor in the Ninja Professional Blender is nothing short of impressive. It effortlessly crushes ice and blends frozen fruits to create smooth and creamy margaritas. The power behind this machine ensures I don't have to worry about chunky ice ruining my drink. Another major plus is its XL 72-ounce capacity. It makes hosting gatherings a breeze, allowing me to whip up large batches of frozen drinks in one go. The total crushing blades really enhance the margarita making experience by providing consistent blending and crushing, ensuring that every frozen margarita is perfectly smooth. The to-go Nutri Ninja cups included are an excellent addition, especially for those busy mornings. I can make a quick smoothie, slap on the to-go lid, and dash out the door. On the flip side, the blender can be quite loud, so early morning or late night blending might not be ideal. Overall, the Ninja Professional Blender strikes a balance between power, convenience, and capacity, making it a solid choice for any margarita enthusiast. Checking in at number 3 on my best blender for margaritas list is the popular Nostalgia Frozen Drink Maker, which I rate as the best margarita blender for those on a budget. As well as the other products in this video, I've been using the Nostalgia Frozen Drink Maker to whip up refreshing margaritas and other frozen drinks, and it's been a hit at my poolside get-togethers. The machine's powerful motor shaves ice to a smooth consistency, making each drink perfectly blended. I especially appreciate how straightforward it is to operate. Even my less tech-savvy friends manage it with ease, at least when they're sober. Anyway, one of the notable features that I really appreciate is its large capacity. I can make up to 128 ounces of my favorite drinks in one go, which is great when hosting larger groups. The double insulated design is a welcome bonus too, keeping my beverages cold for hours. I also love the convenience of the carry handle, which allows me to easily transport the machine to different spots around the house, or even to a friend's BBQ. However, I've noticed that the machine is quite loud, so it might not be ideal for quiet settings. But all things considered, this might just be the best blender for frozen margaritas for those who want to keep costs down while enjoying delicious margaritas. Taking the number 2 spot on my best margarita blender list is the Margaritaville Key West Frozen Concoction Maker, which is ideal for making multiple frozen drinks quickly and easily, ideal for any gathering or party. I recently tried out the Margaritaville Key West Frozen Concoction Maker, and it's a game changer for party drinks, let me tell you. The automatic settings allow me to make up to 3 perfectly blended drinks with ease. Similarly, the large ice reservoir is a standout feature, letting me keep the party going without constantly refilling. When comparing it to other blenders, the shaved ice really sets this machine apart. Instead of crushing ice, which can leave chunks, it shaves it finely, resulting in a smoother drink, which I think we can all appreciate. The consistency is much better for margaritas and other frozen cocktails. I also experimented with the manual settings and found it easy to tailor the consistency to my liking, which actually helps me to get creative with my cocktails as well. On the flip side, its size means it needs a dedicated spot on the counter, but with an XL capacity, I don't mind the slightly bulkier footprint. Overall, if you're serious about your frozen drinks, this machine is probably the best blender for making margaritas that you can get, in my opinion. So, what is the best blender for margaritas that you can get? Well, I could hardly choose between the top 2 products, but all things considered, when it comes to making top-notch margaritas, the Vitamix 5200 blender is a powerhouse that offers precision and versatility, making it the best blender for frozen margaritas in my book. The Vitamix 5200 stands out with its variable speed control, allowing me to achieve the perfect texture for my margaritas, whether I want them icy or smooth. The blender's ability to handle large batches makes it ideal for entertaining guests. And I just love how the stainless steel blades effortlessly crush ice and blend ingredients to perfection every time. Despite its impressive performance, it's worth noting that the Vitamix 5200 can be quite noisy. This may be a minor trade-off for the power it delivers, but it's something to consider if quiet operation is important to you. Also, while it's on the expensive side, I'd say the investment is justified by its durability and the quality of results it consistently produces. Additionally, cleaning up is a breeze with the Vitamix 5200. Just add warm water and a drop of dish soap, and it cleans itself in under a minute. This feature alone makes it very user-friendly and convenient, especially after hosting a party, let me tell you. For anyone serious about their margaritas, the Vitamix 5200 is worth every penny. It's a blender that promises and delivers exceptional quality and performance. Now, if you don't need all these bells and whistles, then I recommend going for the Margaritaville Key West Frozen Concoction Maker instead. But if you want to use your margarita blender for other blending tasks, then the Vitamix 5200 is my top pick. So now that you know the best blender to make margaritas, it's time to pick the product that's right for you. Again, you'll find the links to the latest prices for each of these margarita blenders in the description box below. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video in any way helpful.